so welcome to my channel. This is day 3 in Turkey and today we are going for a Alyana city tour. अब बात यह है कि वी आर ऑन गर्ल्स ट्रिप और हमारी ट्रेडिशन को ब्रेक ना करते हुए आज भी हम बहुत लेट हैं। यार कभी कभी तो मुझे लगता है कि हमारी गलती इसमें है ही नहीं। यहाँ के लोग कुछ ज्यादा ही टाइम पंक्चुअल है, इसकी वजह से हम लेट हो जाते हैं, बट दैट्स नॉट फेयर। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ये मैं बिल्कुल नहीं जानती कि ये देख के मैंने एकदम ब्रिटिश जैसा रिएक्शन क्यों दिया, क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो ये काफी नॉर्मल बात है। Dogs and cows are on the streets only, right? It's just so very strange to not to see them on a street. और एक स्ट्रेंज बात ये है कि पता नहीं क्यों लेकिन इस ट्रिप पे हमारे साथ सारे सीनियर सिटीजन्स ही क्यों हैं। जितना इंटरेस्टिंग यहाँ का फूड और यहाँ की लैंग्वेज है, उतना ही इंटरेस्टिंग यहाँ का म्यूजिक भी है। चाहे लिरिक समझ में आए या ना आए, पर म्यूजिक पे वाइब करना तो बनता है। अब बात यह है कि ये हमारे आज के गाइड हैं, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि मैंने इनको मेरी हिस्ट्री की बुक्स में कभी देखा हुआ है। अगर आपको भी ये लगता है तो प्लीज मुझे बताइए। दिस इज Kilopatra बीच and our first destination of the day. Here we got around half an hour to just relax, have some food and look around. Kilopatra beach is one of the nicest beaches of Alyana. This beach was extremely beautiful and extremely peaceful, and we wish we could stay there a little longer, but we had the whole journey already planned, so we decided to have our breakfast with the view. So now we are at Alyana Teleferic, and from here we are going to sit in a cable car which is going to take us to Alyana Castle. The way to castle is just so beautiful. The cable car is built on such a way that one side is totally beach area and other side is the whole city. First I thought that I should have hiked to the castle rather than going on a cable car, which is just so boring, but after coming here I really feel that it's worth coming in a cable car.
3, 2, 1.
From here also we will have a little hike till the castle. On the way we will see a lots of rosemary, orange and pomegranate trees. Alyana is rich in these plantations. The climb करीबन 20 minutes के आसपास का था, but it doesn't feel that much because it has stairs and it becomes very easy for one to climb till the castle. I always believe the journey makes the travel more beautiful, and the journey till the castle is more beautiful because of its breathtaking views and landscapes. Now we have reached till the gate of the castle, and as you can see, the view from here is incredible. And now we are going to go inside the castle. Oh my god. Don't you think that this place is not real? It feels like I'm standing in front of a poster and this is not a real place. This is not a place. Isn't it wonderful to stay with this view? मतलब किसी का घर इस व्यू के साथ हो तो और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में। this is a gate to go to the market. Well, it's more like a gate to heaven. So now we are in the market. This market is known as Old Town Market, Old Bazaar. जब कैसल में लोग रहते थे उस वक्त से यहाँ पर मार्केट है और उस वक्त भी यहाँ सब शॉपिंग करने के लिए आते थे अपनी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें. एंड राइट नाउ ऑल्सो दे हैव केप्ट द मार्केट द वे इट वाज. अभी यहाँ पर बहुत सारे सिविनियर्स मिलते हैं, कपड़े मिलते हैं. यू गेट small shops where you get some food packets and juices and cold drinks etc. यहाँ कुछ चीज़ें बहुत ही सुंदर मिलती है जैसे Turkish style dresses or kaftans or mattresses. If you can see the design on the mattresses, they are literally so beautiful. And also if you like hookah, they get really good hookah sets. जितने मार्केट मैंने बाहर देखे लाइक लोकल मार्केट्स, नॉट द कैसल वन, वहाँ सारी जगह पर सारी ब्रांडेड चीज़ें मिलती हैं बट द कॉपीज ऑफ इट, not the real branded stuff because it's not legal over here. You get in a very cheap price, but I don't feel that it's worth taking that because that's a copy after all. Market पूरा ही fruit के trees से और plantation से पूरा भरा हुआ है. Here they have orange trees, pomegranate and rosemary plants all over. And this is a mosque which was converted. Before it used to be a church. To go inside the mosque, you need a covered clothes and also need to cover your hair. For them, they have kept a lot many dupattas for you to cover your hair for going inside. I have not got any for myself, so I'm going to use the one which is there. And I really wanted to see what is inside because I've never been to a mosque before. And again, the view from every corner of the castle is just so mesmerizing. I don't feel like going back from here. But again, the journey is not over yet. The adventure is not over yet. कहीं पर पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना जरूरी है बाबू मशाई. Look at the random picture clicked by some photographer at the castle. This was a gift from a photographer at the castle. Isn't it beautiful? We literally loved the picture and we were looking for him, but he was nowhere. He just handed this picture and vanished. It was a nice experience in the castle and we had a really great time. There was really beautiful views and we got the return gift as well. So now we are going for a lunch. This cute little restaurant is our lunch spot for today. Isn't it so cute? ये पूरी की पूरी रेस्टोरेंट पानी के ऊपर है और हमारा सारा सिटिंग एरिया पानी से कवर्ड है. And isn't it so beautiful? It was a good experience to have lunch here. We really had a great time. And we really felt very relaxing. Now we are going to experience something crazy. Because of its history, यहाँ पर सारी की सारी बोट्स एक थीम के हिसाब से है और वो थीम है पायरेट. अब आप सबने पायरेट ऑफ द कैरिबियन तो देखी ही होगी, तो आप समझ गए होंगे कि व्हाट इज दिस थीम ऑल अबाउट. यहाँ की हिस्ट्री कुछ ऐसी है कि यहाँ काफी सालों पहले पायरेट्स हुआ करते थे जो यहाँ पे लूट के लिए आते थे for the food and jewelry and everything. Because of which ये जो जगह है यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पायरेट के खुफिया रास्ते और उनकी गुफाएं हैं और आज हम वही सब जगह पर जाने वाले हैं इस बोट पे बैठ के. Isn't it so crazy? अब गुफाएं तो दिखी नहीं और उसका पता नहीं, पर यहाँ आके मजा बहुत आया. It was very beautiful. हमारे दिन का लास्ट स्पॉट. अब हम आए हैं यहाँ की लोकल मार्केट to see what all they have to offer. And this market is literally crazy because यहाँ पे Christian Dior, Chanel, Ralph Lauren, Gucci, Prada, इस सारी brands हैं. You name it and they have it. Then we ended up in the oldest shop of the market. which has everything we wanted to buy. All the flavored teas and the Turkish delight. I love Turkish delight and I ended up buying a lot of them. If you ever plan to come to Turkey, never forget to try their special sweets, their delights, and baklava, of course. And this is how my Alyana city tour ended, by trying this amazing, delicious sweets. And if you want to know what happened next, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.